in PowerPoint presentation. Okay. The first step is to open Microsoft PowerPoint. You will see something like this. Now click here. This is the very first slide. The very first slide will contain the title of your presentation. How to create presentation. You can check the spelling by right clicking and select the right spelling. Now this is the subtitle. This is the very first slide. Now you can add another slide to this presentation by clicking here, right click here and select new slide. Now you can add another slide. Similarly, you can add as much slide as you want. Now we have these 5 slides. Type something here, XYZ, and you can explain that thing here. Now the second important thing is we will view this in presentation view. By clicking slideshow, you will view this in presentation view. This is the first slide, this is the second slide, and this is the third, fourth. Now we are going to add some quick design to this presentation. We will make it look like an animation. To do this, click on design. In design, there are some designs which are available in this. You can select them by clicking this one. This is the second design, this design. These are the quick design. Now I will select this one. Here you will see all the slides are changed to this design. The third thing is transition. In transition, you can select the transition of the slide. For example, I will select this first slide and select this transition, which is push up. Now again click on this, select this one, select this one, and again click on push, again this. Now we will view this in slideshow. Just check it. You see the slides are changing one by one when you click the next button. Now the third important thing is we will add animation to these slides or these wordings. Click on the animation tab. In animation tab, select the sentence which you want to animate. Now you will see here some of the preview options. Number 1 is appear, the second one is fade, the third one is fly in, float in, split, wipe, shape. Just click in the fade, fly in, and this is the float in. Again select this and click on the float in. Now again we will view this in slideshow. Now when you click the next button, you will see the text appearing in the slide. This is the next one, this is the next one. Okay. Now we are going to proceed toward the insert slide. In insert, you can add shapes and tables to your chart or your slides. Select this slide. I will add some table to this slide. Click on the table. In table, select the table, the number of columns according to your need. There are large number of columns and row. Now you can type here if you have some numerical data and you want to express that data in a table form, you can use this. Now here are also available some quick designs for the table. check this one. These are the simple designs for the tables. Now again click on the insert tab. In insert tab, if you want to add equations or symbols, then click on the equation, and here you will be able to add equation to your table or chart. In equation you can select any type of equation. Okay, now if you want to insert some symbols, then click on symbol. In symbol you will see large number of letters, Greek letters, Latin, and many more. Click on insert, and here you will see this symbol. Now if you want to add a text to somewhere, or if you want to create a shape in this presentation, the shapes are here available. You can select them for your need. For example, I will select this box shape. Now to adjust this box shape, you can click on these points. This is the perspective view. You can change the view of this box according to your need. Now if you want to add simple text to this, just click on this text box and click here, box. You can add animation to these boxes and shapes by simply going to animation tab and select the box and click on float in or anything else. Here you see the animation is added to this box. Now this is all about PowerPoint and making presentation in PowerPoint. You can save your presentation by clicking this Ctrl+S or this option here. You can also print your presentation by just clicking on file. In file you can click on print and print, select the number of copies or other things if you want to print it in PDF form. Print all slides, yes, and in print. In full slide you can select how many slides you want to print. Now I will select this option, 3 slides at single page. Click on print and save it in your computer. This is our presentation which we have printed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Easy Edu for more videos. Thank you.